If you're anything like me and you're into tech, you probably have a ton of devices that need charging every single day. Just look at the devices I have here on my desk. Everything from my phone, tablet, earbuds, Apple Watch, and multiple power banks, and maybe even a laptop. And if you're plugging each one into a separate charger, things can get messy really fast. Today we're checking out something that can clean all that up. This is the Sabrent 252 watt 8-port USB PD 3.0 charger with a color LCD display. And it's designed to power basically your entire tech setup with this one single device. And a quick disclosure, Sabrent actually sent this out for review, but they didn't ask to see the video before publishing, and all opinions here are my own. So let's take a closer look. And inside the box, you get the Sabrent 8-port charger, a power cable, a small user manual, as well as this plastic wall mount in case you wanted to mount this charger to a wall, for example. And they also include some anchors and screws to go with it. And the first thing you'll notice is this is built more like a desktop charging station rather than a typical wall charger. And that makes sense because this thing can output a total of 252 watts. That means that this device should have no problem powering up your MacBook Pro laptop, for example, as well as some of the other items you see here on my desktop, all at the same time. So what makes this charger stand out is that it has 8 USB ports, including both USB-C, which we see here on the top, and USB-A in the bottom. That means you can charge a mix of modern and older devices all at the same time. So instead of having 8 different power bricks plugged into your wall, you can just have one centralized charging station sitting on your desk or nightstand. For anyone who's into tech or has a lot of devices in their household, this can really simplify things. All right, so I'll just plug in a few things so you guys can see it in action. Here I'm gonna use a USB-C connection to charge up my power bank. And we have this nice display here. Right now it's telling me that it's drawing 30 watts of power, but I still have more than enough because it supports 252. So I can also charge up this older style power bank that uses a lightning connector and just plug it into one of the available USB-A ports. We can also charge up my iPhone, and here we can see the charging speed of that device, and it's charging both things at the same time, which is great. I can also charge up my earbuds, and this time I'll use one of the USB-A ports, and that's already 3 devices being charged, all from this one device, and that pretty much gets rid of 3 of these guys. Instead, I could use this one device to charge these 3 devices, and I could keep going. I could go and hook up my iPad and even my laptop, charge them all at the same time. In fact, let's go ahead and do that now. Let's connect up my laptop and use one of the USB-C ports. And yeah, we can see here that the laptop is drawing about 23 watts of power. And again, all this just from one device. Okay, so now let's talk about specs. That's where this charger really shines. The Sabrent charger can output a total of 252 watts across all ports, which is a huge amount of power for a desktop charger. It supports USB Power Delivery 3.0, so all your Apple devices are gonna be able to charge at the fastest speeds, which means it can fast charge modern devices like smartphones, tablets, and many laptops. You can charge up to 8 devices simultaneously. As I was connecting different devices, you may be asking yourself, well, how does it figure out how much power to give to each device? And depending on how many devices are connected, the charger intelligently distributes power across the ports. For example, a single USB-C device can draw up to around 100 watts, which is enough to charge many laptops. If you plug in multiple devices, the charger automatically balances the power across them. Phones might pull 18 to 30 watts, tablets more, and laptops up to 100 watts, depending on the port and load. This makes it incredibly flexible for mixed device charging. One of my favorite features of this charger is the color LCD display on the front. Instead of just guessing what's happening, the screen shows you real-time power information for each port. So you can see things like which ports are active, how many watts each device is pulling, as we saw earlier, and the total power usage. You can also get specific information such as exactly how much volts and how much current is going into the device, as well as how much time it's been charging. And you can access the details for each port by pressing on this button here on top of the device. All these ports are labeled, and you'll see the corresponding information for each USB-A and USB-C port. If you're a tech enthusiast or someone who likes seeing exactly what's going on with your hardware, this is actually really cool. Yeah, as we plug in different things, we could see it in real time, what's going on. You know, we see that it's charging this at 30 watts. And as we plug in other devices, it's gonna give us that same information for all those devices. So I know what you're thinking, 250 watts, that's a lot of power. What about safety? That's another important aspect of this device. When you're dealing with a charger capable of delivering over 250 watts, you definitely want built-in protection. This charger includes multiple safety systems such as overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, and temperature monitoring. So the charger automatically regulates power to keep both the charger and your device is safe. And as we see here on top of the device, we have a nice big ventilation port that helps keep this device cool. So the charger automatically regulates power to keep both the charger and your devices safe. The biggest advantage of something like this compared to individual chargers is simply convenience and efficiency. Instead of having 8 different power bricks, 8 outlets being used, and a mess of cables everywhere, you get one central hub that powers everything. For people who travel with tech, run a home office, or just have a lot of devices in the family, this can really simplify your setup. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description below. And if you do use my personal affiliate link, you can actually get an additional 10% off on Amazon by using promo code E5J9593W at checkout on Amazon. Just go ahead and enter that code at checkout. One thing to keep in mind though is that promo code is only valid for 30 days from when this video is posted. So if you're watching this later, it may no longer work. And if you enjoy videos like this covering cool tech, chargers, audio gear, and other interesting gadgets, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of hands-on reviews and unboxings, and subscribing helps to catch future videos like this. Overall, the Sabrent 252 watt 8-port charger is a really interesting option if you want a single charging station capable of powering almost all your devices at once. And I like that they include things like this wall mount, in case you wanted to mount it on your wall, and the fact that they provide a Kensington slot so you can secure this in case you're worried about somebody stealing this, or you have it installed in a public location. Between the high total wattage, multiple ports, USB-C power delivery support, and that LCD status display, it's definitely geared toward people who are serious about their tech setup. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.